I'm Henry Tattoos. I'm going to show you how to make tandoori chicken kebabs. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, I'm going to do this recipe based on 2 chicken breast fillets, and we're looking at about 500 to 600 grams of this. So the first thing we'll do is make sure these are nice and clean. If there's any fat or sinew, we'll take that off. These are looking pretty good. So what we're going to do is go ahead and dice these into small cubes. Just like that. Now try and make them all the same size. That way it will be even cooking. Alright, just like so. Alright, and just into a bowl we're going to make our marinade. So I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of salt. And to this we'll add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Next we'll add 1 teaspoon of kashmiri chilli powder. 1 teaspoon of hot paprika. 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger. Next we'll add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. A half cup of natural yogurt. And we'll add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And all we're going to do is just whisk this together. Alright, so we'll go ahead and add our chicken straight in. And let's just mix it together, get everything well coated and well covered. Alright, so we're just going to cover this with some cling wrap. And we want to place this into the fridge for at least 4 hours. You can leave it overnight for better results. Now in my case, I'm just going to put these on metal skewers like so. Now you can also put these on bamboo skewers. If you're doing that, just make sure you soak them for about half an hour beforehand, just so they don't burn. Now all we're going to do is skewer pieces of chicken on here, just like so. Now don't go overboard doing this. Make sure there's enough space between each piece, just like so. And in the meantime, I'm just preheating our grill. Alright, so in my case I'm just going to do 4 skewers for now. I'll keep the rest for when my staff come in so I can share it with them. Alright, so in my case I'm just going to grill these. Now I've just got my grill here on a medium to high heat. Now you can oven bake these, you can also air fry them. So that's up to you, you can even pan fry them if that's easier for you. Now if you're putting these in the oven, you'll be looking at about 180 degrees. Same with an air fryer. It will take anywhere between, say, 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, if you are grilling like I am, we'll just place our skewers straight on. Now the grill method, this should take, say, about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Alright, so after about 4 to 5 minutes, I'm just going ahead and flip these over. Just look at that beautiful colour. And that's what you want. So we'll continue for about 4 minutes on this side. Alright guys, so after about 4 minutes, these should be ready. Just look at that. Perfect colour. So I'll set these to the side. Let them rest, and then we can go ahead and serve. Alright, so I'm going to keep this very, very simple with a nice yogurt sauce there on the side. We'll place our skewers right next to it. And I'm just going to sprinkle a touch of chopped coriander. And how beautiful does that look? Alright guys, that was my take on tandoori chicken kebabs. Nice, simple, easy recipe, and believe me, it's full of flavour. Now before you go eating these, make sure the skewers have cooled down, or at least take the chicken off the skewers. It's so full of flavour, so it's not too hot, it's just right. More importantly, it actually smells amazing here right now. I hope you like that guys, please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.